My favorite aspect of this job is working with my patients, and that human interaction, and getting to know them and getting to know their families. And if I can help my patients, it makes me feel good. Patients may be dealing with discomfort from a bad tooth, to losing a tooth, to an embarrassing smile.
I like to smile again, and I hadn't been able to do that freely for a long time, and I can laugh and I can smile, and I'm very, very comfortable and happy doing that.
I was totally amazed. The next day, I had a beautiful temporary smile. My facial structure had changed. I had a fuller face. I could smile. I was comfortable, and everyone was so happy for me.
When I can help patients who've been struggling sometimes for decades, it's incredible. I feel so good, so rewarded. It makes me realize I've chosen the right profession.
The staff here at Cosmetic Dentistry Institute, they make you feel very warm and welcoming, and they make sure you're completely taken care of. They use the latest technologies to make sure that you're completely at comfort through anything that they're doing.
Our office is totally up to date with the latest technologies, including digital dental x-rays, CEREC same-day crowns, Invisalign invisible braces, and implant services that allow patients to change their lives in just one day. Our philosophy has been and always will be giving patients the best dentistry has to offer with compassion, experience, and excellence.
I'm so thankful for Dr. Goldin. I can't thank him enough because it was truly a life-changing experience.